The scale or mirror part feature is a global feature that makes an entire part bigger or smaller. As a global feature, it affects everything above it in the Design Explorer. Note, there is a separate feature mirror tool which is different, making mirror copies of features, leaving the original features unmodified, much like the sketch mirror feature. Access the dialog box from the main menu, select Feature, then Scale or Mirror Part. These features are only available in the part workspace and not in sheet metal or assemblies. After the feature has been made, the original features will not show in the workspace. This tool transforms the entire part, not its features. Here is a run-through of the scale or mirror part options. A scale of 1.5 will be used for each demonstration. The preview geometry will give you a good idea of what the result will be before the OK button is clicked on. The scale types are uniform, which scales features the same in the X, Y, and Z directions, shown here with the transformation point occurring at the origin, X0, Y0, and Z0. This is another uniform scale, but this time the transformation will execute at the part center point. The non-uniform scale option allows you to distort the resultant part in the X, Y, or Z direction. Here the transformation is executing about the origin, changing only the x-axis to 1.5. Here's the exact same transformation, except this time the transformation is about the part center point. There is no apparent difference between this transformation and the last one because the part is centered on the origin. This time all the settings are the same except x equals 1 and y equals 1.5. Notice the preview geometry as the values are changed. Here's the same transformation with y still set at 1.5, but z has been changed to 2. In this dialog box, mirroring is a global feature and often used to create right-hand or left-hand versions of the same part. 3 of the features are colored to make the transformations easier to see. This is a mirror across the XY plane, with the transformation about the origin. Notice how the orange feature swaps sides, but the yellow and blue holes stay the same. This is the same transformation except the part center point is selected. This transformation uses the XY and YZ planes, with the part center point. Notice that all 3 colored features have now changed places. This mirror occurs across the ZX plane. The scale or mirror part feature is a global feature that makes an entire part bigger or smaller. This tool transforms the entire part, not just its features.